Hey guys, another episode on the Caddy. So in the previous episode you saw that we tried to fit the drive shafts in and on the side where it fits to the transmission it was actually the wrong size. So I figured out that issue and ordered the right cups that fit the drive shafts. So I bought 100mm cups that will allow me to put the drive shafts onto this O2J gearbox. So in this episode we're just going to get the drive shafts put on, get the new cups put on, and also work on the doors. Previously I sanded the doors down but I didn't get to finish it, so in this episode we're just going to be sanding them down and getting them coated in some epoxy primer. Also, I've noticed that over 70% of you are not subscribed, so if you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the content that I make. Okay, so I've run into a little bit of an issue when installing the drive shafts. So as you can see, the top is flush, but on the side it's a little bit too big. So the actual cups on the gearbox itself are a little bit too big. So I've ordered some new cups. Here's the code here if anybody needs it. They're from an O2A gearbox. So I'd have to unbolt the old ones and put these ones in, and I'll show you how to do that now. So yeah, so I'll have to get this one taken out and both cups and put the new ones in, and hopefully these ones will fit onto the new drive shafts. So yeah, I'll just be getting on with that now. So that's it, the drive shafts are in now and it all fits perfectly. I haven't tightened the hub bolts down fully yet until I lower the car down, then I can torque them to the correct spec. But yeah, now it's time to work on the doors. So as you can see, I did sand them down a couple months ago and then I forgot about them, so it started to surface rust. So what the plan is, get them moved to the middle of the garage, sand all the rust down, strip them down, because one of them has the door handle and the window in there, so get that all removed. It's a bit chilly today, so I'm just going to put the heater on in the garage and get on with it. Okay, so here's the final finish on the doors. So they've both been covered in epoxy primer and they're looking quite neat. Unfortunately, I didn't get any videos of me sanding them down. Of course, when you press record, the camera stops working. But yeah, they're all done now and they're looking quite good. On this one, there is a dent over here, which I'm going to be filling in the future. I'm going to try and pop it out from the inside. It's not too bad, it's just a little crease. Maybe I can get some sort of tool just to push it out and make it a little bit straight. Otherwise, just a little bit of filler will get that out. But yeah, as I said before, 70% of you are not subscribed at the moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you can recommend some tips for me how to get that dent out of the door, be sure to leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys.